In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to blur in Clipchamp step by step. Whether you want to hide sensitive information, blur out a face, soften part of your footage, or just create a stylish effect, Clipchamp makes it incredibly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can apply blur to your videos in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to the video project of your choice. This can be an existing project you've already started editing, or a brand new one. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your media is already added to the timeline. If you haven't imported your video yet, you can quickly upload it and drag it down onto the timeline before continuing. Next, click directly on the video clip in your timeline that you want to blur. This is important because Clipchamp needs to know which specific clip you're applying the effect to. When you click on the clip, you'll notice that it becomes highlighted and the editing options will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Now look over to the right sidebar and click on Effects. This is where Clipchamp stores all the visual effects that you can apply to your video clips. Once you're inside the Effects panel, you'll see a range of different options available. At the top of the Effects panel, you'll find a search bar. Click into that search bar and type in the word blur. As you type, Clipchamp will filter the available effects and show you the blur options. When you see the blur effect appear in the results, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click it, the blur effect will automatically be applied to the selected video clip. You'll immediately notice the change in the preview window. Now that the blur effect has been applied, you can adjust the intensity to match exactly what you need. In the effect settings, you'll see a slider bar that controls the strength of the blur. Drag the slider to the right to increase the blur effect, making the video more heavily blurred. Drag it to the left if you want a softer, more subtle blur. Take a few seconds to preview your video and adjust the slider until you're happy with the result. You can play the clip in the preview window to see how the blur looks in motion. This is especially useful if you're trying to obscure something specific while keeping the rest of the footage usable. If at any point you decide you don't like the blur, you can simply go back into the effects panel and remove or change the effect. Clipchamp makes it easy to experiment without permanently altering your original footage. And that's it. That's exactly how to blur in Clipchamp. Open your project, select your clip, go to Effects, search for blur, apply it, and adjust the slider to your desired level. It's quick, straightforward, and perfect for hiding sensitive details or adding a creative touch to your videos. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Clipchamp tutorials and video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.